let's talk about being an introvert. So introvert is a person that is, I'm going to say, shy and not comfortable in an area where there's a lot of people. But it's not bad to be an introvert. And today I'm going to discuss with you that being an introvert is not bad. I myself is an introvert. If you don't believe me that I say that I'm an introvert, look at me. There's no one here. And I feel okay. It's good to be alone. I feel more peaceful in my mind. As for me, I would say that being an introvert doesn't really mean that you're super shy. It just means that you feel energized and more comfortable in doing things alone. We live in a society where a lot of people out there will say that if you want to be successful in life, you must be loud and social, but I don't really think it is. To be a valuable person, it doesn't really means that you must be loud, you must be going out there and socialize. What I truly believe is, as long as you're doing something that is right in your life, it doesn't really matter. I've learned quite a lot in my quiet nature. Being in a quiet place helps me think deeply and more focus, because that's what people say. We're often good at understanding ourselves or others when we are reflecting on ourselves. So being an introvert helps me focus on reflecting on my own mistakes, and before you knew it, I've learned a lot. Now I know what my mistakes are, and that's a good thing, because a lot of people tend to not learn from mistake. But once you know your mistake, it's good. So take your time, relax, be in a quiet place, and start reflecting on yourself. It's a good thing to do. If I were to use the gym as an example, I would say in the gym, it's all about getting stronger. It's all about being focused and be stronger. It doesn't need a conversation with someone to be strong. So it's more about doing your best, even if you are the most quiet person in the world. So if you're an introvert, it's perfectly fine. I mean, embrace it. It's okay to have your alone time. At the end of the day, people live at their own pace. You don't need to follow them. Just be yourself. Just live accordingly to your own strength. Try not to push yourself too hard. Be yourself. So, whether you are an introvert or extrovert, it doesn't really matter. Just live in your own way and be yourself. Be awesome.